Hi there! Today we're going to learn to make I-cord. I-cord is super useful when you want to make some sort of cord or an edging for one of your projects. It can be applied afterward or it can be worked into your existing project. All you need is 2 double-pointed needles and some yarn. So let's get started. We're going to begin with a slip knot, and I'm leaving myself a pretty long tail because we're only going to cast on 4 stitches, and we can do that using the long tail cast on. Actually, I'm only doing 3 stitches so that there are 4 all together. Great. Now, we're going to slide the whole work to the other end of the needle. Insert the needle into the first stitch and use the working yarn from this stitch furthest away and pull it around and bring it forward. It's going to feel a little bit tight, a little bit awkward, but that will give you the best result for your I-cord. It will make it nice and smooth. Okay, slide again. Insert the needle into the first stitch, wrap around, come forward, and knit the last 3. Slide to the end of the needle, insert into the first stitch, and knit the last 3. I'll do one more and then show you how it's working up. Insert the needle into the first stitch, wrap from the far end, and knit the last 3. So if you look at the back, you can see that the first stitch and the last stitch sort of meld together. They're connected by that yarn that you pulled from one end to the other, but that if you just let it lie, it becomes nice and invisible. And you can make these as long as you like. But you're always working in the front. You're always working on the knit side. You never have to purl. You're kind of working in the round, but just it's a very tiny round. It's only 4 stitches. And of course you can use 3 stitches or 5 stitches or whatever you like for a bigger tube. And there is the beginning of your I-cord. Did you find this video useful? If so, comment below and let us know what you're going to be using I-cord for in your knitting projects. Also, don't forget to subscribe. For a 20% discount on everything on kariskits.com, click the link below. See you soon!